This is the reminders for August the 29th through Sunday, September 4th. Everything is due on Sunday at 11:55 p.m. except for your initial posting to the discussion, which should be done by Thursday night at 11:55. So this week you will be working on Unit 1, and you will do Chapter 1, just the one chapter, creating a flyer. Be sure that first you read the overview, which is what happens when you open that. Chapter 1, creating a flyer. There's your overview, your chapter course objectives, and your chapter objectives. The learning activities are to read the chapter and take notes and work through the tutorials within the chapter. It's very important that you work through those. Then your assessment activities are Discussion 1. This is about concepts in desktop publishing are an important part of this course, so be sure that you respond in detail with at least 2 paragraphs. Your initial response, as I just mentioned, should be made by Thursday at 11:55 p.m. of each week. Then a response to another learner should be made on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday of that week. And the reason for the response on Thursday is so that others will have an opportunity to read the post and then respond to you. Try to read as many posts as you can before you respond to a learner. Then you have assignments from the book after completing the tutorials. So this will be over the tutorials. You'll do Apply Your Knowledge, Extend Your Knowledge, Lab 1, and Lab 2 in most cases. Now, sometimes you only have 3 assignments, but usually there are the 4 assignments. And those progressively get harder. Applying Your Knowledge is a little bit, gives you more instructions. Extend Your Knowledge gives you a few less instruction. And then Lab 1 and Lab 2, you do a little more creativity on your part. And then the last thing that you should do in the week is the quiz. So below that, you find the actual links to the assignment. So after you've done the learning activities, you would start with Discussion 1 and respond by Thursday night at 11:55. You'd create a thread. Be sure you read all of your information here, your information about the resources, because you are expected to have resources. One may be your textbook, and in some cases I ask you to find another resource as well. The grading rubric is here, and you'll also see other grading information as well. So be sure that you do respond by Thursday night to the initial post, and then Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, then respond to one other learner. Okay, the next one is your assignment 1, which can be found at the end of the chapter. And again, be sure you read the information here and how you will be graded. And then finally, take your quiz. And then for next week, you go to Chapter 2. So for this week, though, you do just Chapter 1. And everything is due Sunday night, September 4th at 11:55 p.m. End of video.